Well, Jen, Hartford Healthcare is among those requiring its employees to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Many employers taking that step to make sure that the workplace is as safe as possible.
My feeling, particularly around healthcare settings, is that the most vulnerable come to us in moments of need and sickness, and it is our duty to protect people who are coming to us for care.
Dr. Manisha Gupta, an infectious disease physician at the Yale School of Medicine and the governor's new pick for public health commissioner, says she believes it's a responsibility of healthcare workers to lead by example and get vaccinated for COVID-19.
What we know about mandates in general, they're going to be different stances depending on the organization and what their roles are, but we do know that they work.
Gabriela Cepeda is a radiology resident. Her employer is requiring workers to get the vaccine, something she agrees with.
If doctors, they don't get vaccinated, then I think that people who don't work in healthcare, then they're like, okay, if the doctors are not getting vaccinated, then maybe that's a reason why they're not doing it, so I'm not going to do it.
Prior to moving to Connecticut, she worked in a COVID unit in New York City during the height of the pandemic, one of the main reasons why she chose to get vaccinated.
I was able to live through the hardest part of the pandemic, like actually taking care of the patient, like very sick patients with COVID. So I think that actually got to me.
The Connecticut Hospital Association endorses mandatory vaccines. That's more than 24 acute care hospitals across several systems, one being Hartford Healthcare. President and CEO Jeffrey Flax on The Real Story Sunday, explaining that while more than 80% of full-time workers are vaccinated, there's still a population that needs to be reached.
We're hopeful, that through the outreach that we have in place, through the education that we have in place, through the access that we put in place, that we're going to successfully work and reach the vast majority of our colleagues at Hartford Healthcare.
And as states across the country see an uptick in COVID-19 cases, more than 50 healthcare organizations, including the American Medical Association and the American Public Health Association, issued a joint statement in support of mandatory vaccines for health and long-term care workers. Part of that statement reading, "This is especially necessary to protect those who are vulnerable, including unvaccinated children and the immunocompromised." Now, Yale New Haven Health is another system that's also requiring its employees to be vaccinated for COVID-19. Yale and Hartford Healthcare giving employees until September 30th to get vaccinated. Live in Hartford, Gabby Molina, Fox 61 News.